We're working on a 2008 Mustang, and the fan only works in high position, so any other position, so it's either high or nothing. And this is generally, there's only one of two things it can be. It's either the relay not working, or it's the resistor. 90% of the time it's the resistor. I'll put a link, but the part number on it is JA1499, and it's located behind the glove box. So simply pull open the fuse box, and it's located right there, and I believe it's 7mm. So you just simply try to get my camera there better. Simply push in the tab, pull the plug down, and replace this here. Like I said, it's I believe 7mm screws in there. Yep, gates. Alrighty. Old one out, that's all it is. And here's the new one. They're not exactly the same size, but they should be the same plug. And all you care is you want it facing forward when you put it back in, like that. The trick is you can hook the harness back up to sort of hold it up there and help you get it back in there to screw it back in. So that's what I do. Now all the different speed controls work. Up, down. So it was that. It wasn't the relay. And put the glove box back together and you're good to go. One of the tricks I did to make it easier, I ended up going underneath the dash and using an extra long extender to make it easier to get up in there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.